The VTTOCK12 Oil Change Kit is specifically designed to cater to Harley-Davidson twin-cam motorcycles, ensuring a perfect fit for models from year 2000 to 2015. This comprehensive kit includes everything needed for an oil change, featuring 4 quarts of Maxima V-Twin Full Synthetic 20W50 engine oil, 1 quart of Maxima V-Twin primary oil, and 1 quart of Maxima V-Twin 85W140 transmission oil alongside a premium oil filter. The Maxima V-Twin Full Synthetic Oil is formulated with ester technology to effectively reduce operating temperatures and wear, enhancing the engine's performance and longevity. The kit's transmission and primary fluids are mineral-based, high-quality oils that guarantee optimal performance in high-performance transmissions and primary chain cases. The premium oil filters included in the kit are crafted using top-tier materials, offering a significantly longer service life compared to original equipment and leading competitor brands. Overall, the VTTOCK12 Oil Change Kit stands out for its exceptional quality and comprehensive components, making it an ideal choice for Harley-Davidson twin-cam motorcycle owners.